If you edit your videos using CapCut, you may have noticed a new watermark option. If you'd like to remove it, this video is here to help. I'll guide you step by step on how to get rid of the watermark. Let's begin. First, open CapCut and start editing your video. Select any frame, and you'll notice the watermark appearing on the screen. To remove it, simply click on the watermark. After that, you'll see an option labeled a free. This allows you to remove the watermark for 7 days. Click on it, and your watermark will be temporarily removed for the next 7 days. However, if you want to remove it permanently, I'll explain the method. For now, follow this process to get rid of the watermark for the initial 7 days. If it reappears, don't worry, I'll show you the steps to remove it again. Now, let's move on. After the watermark is removed, press and hold the CapCut app icon, go to App Info, and clear the app's storage. This will reset the app. Once cleared, reopen CapCut, skip the setup steps, and start editing a new project. If the watermark option appears again, repeat the process, click on the watermark and then select the free option to remove it for another 7 days. This method can be used whenever the watermark reappears, allowing you to continue editing your videos without interruptions.